Good day everyone, I'm Deck Cadet Mungansiso Klein RVV and I'm here to have a speech about the evolution of maritime communication from Morse code to GMDSS. So think of our brave ancestors navigating vast, uncharted oceans. Morse codes, simple dots and dashes became their first true lifeline, shattering centuries, total isolations, and forever changing how we sail the seas together. We've all heard that wrenching tales of maritime miscommunication, radio telephony help, but chaos still raging, pushing us to build a global framework that ensures no ship or sailor is ever left unheard in crisis. Today's GMDSS is our unwavering guardian at sea. Automatic distress calls, real-time updates, and unbroken connectivity mean every person love sails with safety deeply woven into every mile of their journey. That's all. Thank you.